I'm filming a new video with my Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to do an olive and blackish smoky eye. So yeah, let's get cracking. I'm not going to show you what I do to my face because it's going to be basically the same as my Diwali makeup routine. And so first up, I primed my face with the MAC Fix Plus primer, and I'm going to let it dry a little bit. So as usual, I'm going to start with my brows, and I'm going to zoom into my brows first.
So first up, I start with my Maybelline brow pencil, and I start to line my brows and follow the shape of the brows. Then I take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain and apply it all over my eyelid and just buff it out. I'll take a matte setting powder, which is the translucent Prep and Prime Plus, and just set the concealer in place with that powder. Now I take my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. The name of the palette is Affirmation. Now obviously there are names for all of the shades, but I as usual misplaced the matte which had the names for them. And I apply this taupey color over my crease, followed by a dark metallic, not exactly black but gray, kind of a grayish black color. I apply this black color on the crease and blend it out really well. Now I'm going to line the inner part of my upper lids so that there are no spaces. Blank spaces between the lashes, and I'm going to take my Maybelline ink pot, which is the gel liner pot, and I'm going to put it around the upper lid and just blend it out so that it is darker. It gives a darker illusion on the upper lids. Now the favorite part, I take this Lucky Green color by MAC and apply it on the middle of my upper lid and just spread it around a little. I love this color, it's so beautiful. It's kind of olivey, but it has a metallic sheen to it, I blend it a little bit, and I'll do the same with the other eye. I take this shading brush to define this a little more, and I'm gonna do the same in the lower lid. So I'm applying it right in the middle of my lower lid, the same color. So the edges are black, but the middle is kind of this metallic olive green. After the mascara, which was my Maybelline Falsies, of course, I applied these MAC lashes. And you guys clearly know I hate wearing lashes, but I did. So, kudos to me. I take this highlighter shade from my Makeup Revolution highlighter and contour palette and do the inner corners of my eyes, and I then wipe out all of the shadow powder that has dropped all over my face, and then I'll move on to my face. Now obviously I'm not really going to emphasize much on the facial makeup since it isn't something new that I'm doing, but I'm just color correcting, as you can see, the red areas with green color correction, then all of the porcelain concealer, and then I'm just gonna use my MAC Face and Body foundation in C2, and that's just about it. Nothing new with my face. I'll just lightly contour. To end the look, I'll use this taupe color by MAC. I love it. I'm not really a fan of lining my lips, as you can see. So I'm just going to use this beautiful MAC shade. I love this tangerine, bricky kind of brown. It's really a subtle color. It's not on your face types, but it's nice. So I'll just use that shade to complete the look. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like such videos, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. As of today, goodbye.